Welcome to our showroom. So this is our new showroom. We've got a number of nice units here.
If you walk in and you don't know what you're looking for, you can come into this space, which is really camp friendly. So it feels like camping, doesn't it?
That's our idea, is to make it feel like a campground, all set up in a circle. So you've got one circle here, you walk around the end, there's another circle of campgrounds around the fireplace there.
Awnings set up, we turn the lights on, barbecuing. It smells like barbecue right now. That must be lunch next door.
Yeah.
But everything from these bigger vans to off-road, lightweight, fuel economy, right down to checking out how do we carry our bikes, how do we take a roof tent,
How do we take a roof tent?
and I want to be under 1 ton. We really have a good feel and look. It changes every week, doesn't it?
It
right?
does, it changes every week, and people come in and they can I just look around a little bit? And we go, sure, look around, come get us when you have questions, or we can spend an hour with you and tell you exactly what's on a van.
It has a great feel, right? I can come in and I can pop these guys on here and have a real look around. I love people to look, and as soon as you want an explanation, I'm a big fan of doing the demo, right?
Yeah.
I'll pull it out and go, oh my gosh, look at that. Clicks out, and what else do I got? And I go, whoa, look at that. And it is a little bit of doing the demo, turn the lights on, show you how cool it is.
And I've had more than one customer who's come in, gone, oh, I'm not too sure about this, and I do the demo, and they go, you can do it, Maud.
Like, we get the families in on the weekend as well, and you get them sitting around the fire.
The kids sitting around the fire.
Having a chat while mom and dad are sitting in the van, have a coffee and a drink, and trying out a few chairs and a few things that you'll see. But then all of a sudden you've got like that little setup where someone said, well, I want a step, or I like this stove, or I want to try that awning, and all that can be done through our workshop as well.
It can.
Right? So these guys are now, we're taking on a lot of different products that we think are more convenient, faster. It does feel really good when you walk through here and you can come and try stuff, right? You can push the button and open it up and then turn on a light, and I've just got a great little one.
Have a feel of what it feels like in there.
I think it's so important to actually try and get inside one.
Yeah.
Can you spend time in there with your partner, or and then you know that's what camping's like. So we close the doors and let them chill.
We
right?
do. We close the door and let them chill.
Yeah,
They have a little chat in there, and then they come back to us.
It is really nice. You've had lots of people, like 3 or 4 hours of, you're very welcoming, because you go and get those ideas. And then we have a number of vans through our workshop, through here, right, all set up, and it gives us a really good, it's the comparisons. Yeah. So some people have never seen Kimberleys. They've never seen so many Kimberleys in one space, and you can look through the years on the models and check them out.
And then they also get a chance to go into the workshop if they want to and have a look and see what kind of work is being done there, because Kimberleys are really special in terms of work. Right? So there's very low maintenance with a Kimberley compared to other caravans.
Right? So it is really interesting when you get some people here, they say, we've taken it to somewhere else, right? We've taken it to Bob the mechanic, and Bob the mechanic said, oh my gosh, this, that, and the other thing. And they're like, that sounds hard. And when you come in here and you talk to the team at the workshop and you get to say, g'day, and they're like, of course we've done that. It's no problem, right? From fridges to awnings to suspension to upgrades. All of that we do really, really well. We've got our pre-delivery checks as well. So we've had people just come up and say, look, we want to buy a van. Can you give us some upgrades? Or we have looked at one of your vans now. What about the newest and the greatest and that? That's our little journey. That's our little space here with the SEQ Campers.
We're right by the Sunshine Coast Airport, so really easy to find.
We'd love to get you to come down and say g'day.